If you also want to create shorts videos like this channels, like this, and like this, these channels are earning millions of views and serious income by making faceless shorts with AI. Then you need to know about Short AI. This is the tool behind the kind of content that goes viral again and again. In this Short AI review, I will show you the exact what this software is, how it works, and why it could be the easiest way to start your own faceless short video channel. And if you do decide to try it, I have left the link for this tool in the description box below. Please check it out. So, what exactly is Short AI and what does it do? Short AI is an AI-powered short video generator. It allows you to create engaging faceless content in just few minutes. Perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. And if the best part that faceless formats often go viral much faster than traditional content. Think of channels that narrate stories, share Reddit posts, and run dialogue-style videos. Many of them grow to hundreds of thousands of subscribers with only few dozens uploads. And they get millions of views. Short.ai makes that process simple by automating video creation. See this.
Hey, Jenny, did you know that effective policies to drastically change environmental outcomes? In the islands of present-day Ethiopia, the Aksumite Empire was born around the first century.
In a quiet glen where the sun painted golden hues, lived a gentle rabbit named...
In the quiet town of Eldridge, shadows whispered through. In a quiet town, an old philosopher posed a question. AITA for leaving Thanksgiving dinner early after my brother-in-law.
Here is how it works. Inside Short.ai, you will find different post types to choose from, like turning Reddit stories into videos, generating text-based dialogues, or building quick storytelling clips. It automatically adds captions and subtitles, which are proven to boost watch time and engagement. Plus, it supports multiple languages, so you can target global audience without extra efforts. Another powerful feature is scheduling. Instead of manual uploading to every platform, Short AI lets you plan and publish directly to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram from one dashboard only. That's a massive time saver if you want to stay consistent. Now let's create something. I'm creating an AI story video. Going with AI script only right now. It gives too many options for video tone. I'm choosing motivational. Then selecting the language. It supports lots of languages. Now you can create up to 120 seconds, means 2 minutes almost. You can create 30 seconds, 60 seconds, whatever you want. Right now I'm choosing 60 seconds. Then, now you can choose the style of background. Here I'm choosing Lego style. Then it gives you bundle of options for fonts. I'm choosing this one. Then also there are multiple voices, female, male, too much. Okay, right now I'm choosing this and pressing the create button. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. And here it is. See this video.
Emma stood in her tiny garden, being defeated by a recent setback. Her plans, once vibrant, were wilting. She had dreamed of a flourishing space, yet chaos surrounded her. Instead of despairing, she inhaled deeply, grounding herself. With renewed focus, she trimmed the dry leaves, tending to her garden.
It's amazing. It's perfect for shorts. Captions are created wonderful and colorful way. The graphics and transition are amazing. I just love it. Now let's talk about the pricing. The Pro plan is only around $30 a month. That gives you up to 90 faceless videos. That's enough to experiment with the different styles, upload regularly, and quickly see what works for your channel. With just 1 or 2 viral hits, the tool easily pays for itself. So, if you are serious about building a side hustle or growing your social media presence without showing your face, Short AI is one of the best tools you can try right now. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.